Hi everyone. So in this video we will see how Newgen complements the core banking system with its integrated enterprise content management solution to help banks to manage their documents and processes more effectively. So let me start with the customer description wherein we have deployed the specific solution. Now the bank which we are talking about is one of the leading banks in Asia Pacific with more than 80 branches, and they use Infosys Finacle as their core banking system. The bank used to face many challenges. So the first challenge was regarding the large volume of documents pertaining to different processes like customer onboarding, credit card, loans, etc. Second challenge was regarding the stringent compliance requirements to maintain the customer documents corresponding to data in core banking system. Since there were huge volume of documents and they were handled manually, there were huge chances of losing the documents. Last but not the least is the paper-based processing used to take longer time for processing and more people were required to handle the process. So we gave Newgen Enterprise Content Management Solution here, where we are talking about our two key products, that is Newgen OmniScan and Newgen OmniDocs. So OmniScan is an enterprise class bulk scanning software to capture your documents from various locations or branches. You can also do the data entry so that you can search the documents very easily. Further, it also supports the integration with your core banking system so that the data can be shown in OmniScan. Now OmniDocs is an enterprise content management product which is used to manage your documents more effectively. It acts like a central document repository so that you have the access to your document anytime, anywhere. It also has a maker checker workflow. That means you can do the verification and approvals in it, and it also supports the core banking integration. That means you can view all the images of OmniDocs from within the core banking system. And as the product is Unicode compliant, it can also be shown in the local language. So now let's see one of the process which we have automated. This is the business loan process. Similarly, we have also automated the other processes like account opening or salary, credit card. Now this is the complete process which we have automated, but in this demo we will be looking at a smaller version of the same to showcase the capabilities and the power of the solution. So now let's see OmniScan and OmniDocs in action. So OmniScan is a template-based software wherein you can design the templates or the forms as per your business requirements. So let's try to open a new template. Now in OmniScan you can define various templates as per your business requirements. So let's try to open business loan branch. So on the top left hand side you can see all the fields which we have defined in the system. Now these fields can be added or modified as per your business requirements. And on the bottom left hand side we can see all the documents which we have defined in the system. Similarly, you can also modify all these documents. In OmniScan you can import the files from various sources. You can import the files which you have on your computer, maybe coming from the email, or you can also scan the documents from the scanner. So now let's try to import the file which we have on our computer. So you can import various kind of formats into OmniScan. You can import the TIFF files, you can import the JPG files or the PDF files. So all these formats are supported. Now you see on the right hand side we have the image, and on the left hand side we can enter the details. OmniScan also supports the alerts for the mandatory fields. So if any of these fields are left blank, the system will alert that kindly define the value for the respective field. So system will not allow you to move further till the time you don't enter the details. So once you enter the KIF ID and press F4 key, it will show us the list of all the account numbers which will be coming from your core. So basis the account number we select, all the respective fields will get filled automatically by the system. That is the integration which is happening with your core banking system. So you see all the fields have been entered by the system automatically. Let's select the date also. OmniScan also supports the document separation. So you see the loan application, the check, the ID proof, they have got separated automatically. You can add n number of documents in it as per your business requirements. So once you have entered all the details and the documents are attached, you can export the data to OmniDocs. So once the data is exported, the OmniScan will show a small report. Now let's try to log in OmniDocs. This is the home page of OmniDocs. It is a web-based application. That means you can access it from anywhere where you have internet connectivity, and you can have the access to all your documents. Now once you log in, you can see the repository on the top left hand side, wherein you can see all the folders which you have created. You can add more folders. So you see, this is the file which we have sent from OmniScan. You can also perform various kind of operations on the document, like you can see the versions, you can download the document, you can see the audit logs, like what has been done onto the document. You can set the alarms and reminders onto the documents, and you can also send it as an email attachment once the email integration is done with your Exchange server. Now if you click on the document name, you can see the image itself. On the left hand side, you can see the notes section wherein you can attach the note. So this way the notes can be attached, and you can also see the username, the date, and the timestamp. So now let's try to see the search mechanism of OmniDocs. So herein we can search the documents with the help of the data class. So now once I enter the KIF ID, I can see all the documents related to that particular KIF ID. So now let's see the Omni process, the linear workflow. So in this video we have defined 4 queues, like the loan branch manager, loan credit approval department, loan relationship manager, and loan underwriter. So from OmniScan, the request will reach the loan relationship manager. So once he logs in, he can see the pending request, and the moment he clicks on it, he can see the application itself. On the left hand side, he can see all the metadata. On the right hand side, he can see the image, and he can also see all the documents which we have attached in the application. He can approve the application, he can send it to credit approval department, or he can also reject the application for rescan. So let's assume everything is good, and let's try to approve the application. So now the application will go to the next department. Now herein we have used a single user to view all the queues, but in real world you will have different users for different queues. So you see, now the request will reach the loan branch manager. Once he logs in, he can see the application and he can click on it. User can also leave various kind of annotations onto the document. Maybe the number is not correct. This way user can highlight the area, and the user can also leave the notes for the same. Now let's assume everything is good and he approves the application. So the request has reached the loan underwriter work step now. He can also add the documents, and he can click on done. So the request has reached the credit approval department, and now after disbursing the loan, they can also submit this application. They can also leave stamps onto the document image like this. So all these stamps can be modified as per your business requirements, and now we can click on done. So this is how the process can be automated using OmniDocs. An integrated enterprise content management system also allows the core banking users to view all the OmniDocs images from within the core banking. So now let's try to log in core banking system. Herein we have shown the integration with Finacle. Similarly, it can also integrate with other core banking systems like Temenos or FlexCube, etc. So let's try to open the customer account. Now the moment we click on the view document list, the user can see all the documents for that particular KIF ID. So this way the core banking user can see all the documents for the respective KIF ID from within the core banking system. So NewGen integrated ECM solution helps in adherence to compliance, since the documents are available in the secure electronic repository. You have instant availability of the documents for the core banking users for different processes. It helps in a quick and efficient way to capture all your documents from various branches. It also helps in reducing the data entry since a lot of data is fetched from the core banking system itself. The risk of document loss also gets minimized to the great extent, and with its maker checker workflow, it automates your process. Users can verify and approve the application. They can also see all the document images and movement of documents from one department to another. Thank you.